Hey guys, Chad from Downey Ford in Mount Vernon here. Today I'm standing next to kind of a hidden gem. One of my favorite vehicles on a lot. It's a 2014 Ford F-150 XLT. The reason why I think it's a gem is because look at it. It looks sharp. White with chrome, has a little bit of a stance, more aggressive wheels, and it only has 68,000 miles on it. And looking at it, it doesn't even look like it's barely been used. We're coming to open up these doors because inside looks like it's still right off the showroom, brand new. And the other thing with this being a 2014, it was before the aluminum bodies. I know a lot of these trucks had some rust issues, especially in the cabin corners. But open this up right here, solid as can be. Also comes with a 6.5 foot bed, so you can put more in there. Also, as you can see from probably the front of the truck, has tow mirrors. So this truck, if you're looking for something cheap to use every day or to tow something with, this is a vehicle for you. Right around $23,000. So come on up, discover the Downey difference.